Today we will be talking about December 2021 and the predictions which have proved spot on. Whatever predictions were made by me, they have proved spot on. And Venus, Mars, and Ketu are on the wheel of destruction. All my predictions made for December 2021 prove spot on. Read my articles first below for the scams for the wealth and currency, bloodshed in the stock markets, virus spread, mutations from Omicron to Delmicron, chopper crash, ugly situations for the army chief, and many more proving spot on. Pick up any subject, and my predictions are there and proving spot on. Be alert. Mars red planet will activate the sensitive arc in the zodiac on the 30th December and has already entered the high risk zone in the Jesta star on the 28th December 2021. Venus will fall on the 31st December 2021 in Sagittarius, the 8th house of the India Foundation chart, and the 12th house of China, which is at 22nd Dreshkon. Rahu Ketu, and it is the 10th lord for China, and for India it is the Lagna lord and the 6th lord. Venus will fall on the 31st December in Sagittarius. Rahu Ketu over the natal Rahu Ketu as far as India is concerned in the 1-7 axis, exactly degree wise foundation chart, and then the Arohi Kal Sarp Yoga will add fuel to the burning fire. Lockdowns are on the cards on the sensitive dates mentioned. Sensational things will be revealed between 30th December to 16th January 2022 and then on the 27th February 2022, because Mars is the main planet activator. Note my alert and my predictions. This I wrote early in the morning at 5:30. Now the biggest stock market crashes have taken place in 1929, 1987, 1999, 2000, 2008 and 2020, and we have parallel positions twice in 2022, but we are talking first of all for the December. As predicted, we are heading for a similar happenings in the near future as per the sensitive dates, and especially in January 2022 to April 2022. It may be natural, unnatural calamities, surge in virus, earthquakes, political trauma, scams, stock and financial markets can take a big hit. Now, my predictions for the 257 crore cash, 250 kg silver, 25 kg gold, 300 keys tumbling out of the rates has proved spot on. As per my article on the Venus, the planet of beauty and glamour, I had predicted that Venus will overstay in the sign Capricorn and Sagittarius for 112 days, and from the 8th of December, and will go in retrogression on the 19th December 2021, and this came to light on the 24th December 2021 as far as the income tax rates for the currency are concerned. Venus will fall in Sagittarius on the 31st December for 59 days, and Venus is supposed to be most venomous, and signification of Venus will suffer. Venus is perfumes, Venus is currency, Venus is silver, Venus is Bollywood, marriages, luxuries of life, hotel, restaurant, traveling, all will have an adverse influence for these 59 days. And the situations are parallel to 2013 and 14, when we had parallel situations when Venus was overstayed in Capricorn and Sagittarius for 116 days, and then we had the Ebola virus from West Africa, and now we have the Omicron from the South Africa. Absolutely similar, but then it was not with Saturn, now it is with Saturn. So the things can be more uglier than what they happened in 2013-14 as far as the Ebola virus is concerned. And then you see, I had predicted that the Bollywood celebrities of the celebrities of the Bollywood will be influenced adversely. Now, Amitabh Bachchan, Aishwarya Rai and Ajay Devgan are in the tax trap, tax evasion of taxes. My prediction spot on for celebrities after Venus retrogrades. Aishwarya Rai, Amitabh Bachchan, and Ajay Devgan in hot waters in the tax evasion case. Bloodshed in Dalal Street, free fall in Nifty, Sensex astrology speaks loudly. These predictions are also my 100%. There was a bloodbath in the stock and financial markets and was predicted by me after the 9th December and around the 19th December, which proved spot on. I had predicted the above and all was predicted and proved spot on. Year 2022, 3 planets in fallen state: Venus, Saturn, Mars. War, terrorism, natural calamities, economy break, political traumas. Nifty may be range bound between 16,700 and 18,000 from the 5th of December to 16th of January 2022. Till now, it is proved spot on. Nifty virus, natural calamities influenced adversely by Kalsarp dosha, Mars Ketu and Wheel. Kalsarp dosha is formed on the 16th of December to 24th of April 2022, and the world is bound to be troubled by the virus, by natural calamities, by earthquakes, by political traumas and lockdowns. And the virus will surge during this period to beyond expectations. It may not be that dangerous, but it will surge to beyond expectations and multiply in geometrical progression. The Kalsarp Yoga formed on the 16th December 2021 and Sun ingress in Sagittarius till the 24th April 2022, and all the planets in the grip of the nodes. The period as predicted is most venomous for the terrorism, unnatural calamities, virus spread, war-like situations in the globe, and for earthquakes and natural calamities. Nifty volatility, virus surge, CDS, Vipin Rawat demise, natural calamities in Indonesia, US, many more predictions spot on. I had predicted about the army chief that since Jupiter has become Marak in transit, it is also Marak in the horoscope of BJP. The head of the country or the army chief will meet very bad circumstances when Mars activates Jupiter, because Jupiter is Marak, Mars has to activate, and on the 8th of December, Mars aspected Jupiter degree wise at 2 degrees, and my predictions and my research worked 100%, and unfortunately and most unfortunate for India, Vipin Rawat demise took place, and there were 13 more people. And I had also predicted, as per the Prashan Jyotish, that things will come out of the bag, and I have given the date, and please go through my articles. I have also mentioned the reasons, the three reasons: conspiracy, carelessness of the crew, and missing of the fire equipment in the aircraft. So it could be conspiracy, it could be cyber attack also. So it seems like that. And it is also some carelessness of the crew, and firefighting equipment is missing. The predictions for the head of the country and the army chief were made by me in 3 articles, and the date was also predicted as 9th of December, which was in 8th of December. As I've already mentioned, whenever I put a date, it can be when they go in the same Navamsha, then it may be a day earlier or maybe a day later. Kanur MI17 V5 crash, astrological analysis as by Prashan Jyotish. Astrology clearly points out there were carelessness, missing of the fire equipment, and conspiracy for the event. It could be even cyber attack as per the Prashan Jyotish principles. Wait for the results till the 16th January 2022, and the cat will come out of the bag. Solar ingress in Sagittarius may reveal cause of the tragic death of Army Chief Bipin Rawat. Mars activates eclipse point chopper crash 8th December 2021. My prediction spot on for analysis of the event by Prashna Jyotish. December 2021 planetary position most enigmatic Mars, Ketu, Venus on the driving wheel for virus and natural calamities. Venus, the goddess of beauty and love, ingresses in Capricorn on 8th December 2021. Overstays for 112 days. Fallen in Sagittarius 59 days. Most venomous. Please read these articles in detail. Jacqueline Fernandez in hot waters in money laundering case. 30th December 27th February 2020, most prone for her. And this was predicted much in advance about these celebrities in the Bollywood because Venus is getting afflicted. Venus is also perfume. Venus is also silver. Venus is also currency. And all the significations you can see for yourself are suffering, whatever I had predicted. Solar eclipse Scorpio, Omicron in 24 countries. Red alert and havoc from rains, cyclones, earthquakes. Mars on steering wheel till 16 January 2022. Omicron hanging fire till March. Red planet activates eclipse point on the 9th and 30th of December. 30th is tomorrow. Read, hence 30th December seems to be explosive for the natural, unnatural calamities, virus spread, war-like situations till 16 January 2022 and also for the economy of the globe, especially after the 16 January 2022 when the market could take a hit again. Scams may be exposed and the cat may come out of the bag, as in many cases, especially when Mars activates the specific arc of the zodiac as mentioned in my article. Solar eclipse of the 4th December, 4-planet cluster in Scorpio sign. Mars about to join venomous for Omicron. The main cause for the trouble in December 2021 is the solar eclipse which took place on the 4th December and Mars ingressed in Scorpio on the 5th December and activated the eclipse point of 2-3 degrees of the lunar eclipse on the 19th November 2021 on eclipse of the 4th on the 8th December and it will activate on the 30th December 2021. On the 28th December, it joins the Jyeshtha Nakshatra, supposed to be most ferocious and bitter, and the world ugliest things have happened when Mars is in Scorpio in the Jyeshtha star since it is in this star till 16th of January, there could be natural, unnatural calamities and it's a high risk zone for Mars to be in this star and also in Gandanta. Now see the news pouring in. Coronavirus live updates. Delhi, Mumbai see huge hike in Delhi cases. Punjab bans entry of unvaccinated in public places from January 15th. Probe against Kanpur businessman Piyush Jain over recovery of 23 kg foreign marking gold. COVID-19 sees highest single day rise of Omicron infections. Goa, Manipur report first cases. Omicron break. UK records 98,515 cases, 143 deaths in past 24 hours. Man linked with Ludhiana blast arrested in Germany. ED seizes assets worth 293 crores from former Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank chairman. Rafale scam, a never-ending tale of allegations. New COVID variant here. The new COVID variant Delmicron came after the 19th of December, just very close to 19th of December when Venus went in retrogression. Mars on the wheel as predicted, and all predictions prove spot on for December 2021 irrespective of terrorism, currency haul, chopper crash and then stock and financial markets. Afghan forces rip apart barbed wire fence put up by Pak as border dispute between neighbors escalates. Mars activator and the Venus, the significator of currency, and the businessman Piyush Jain involved in business in huge racket as far as the currency part is concerned, gold, silver, and property. My predictions for Venus signification prove spot on. Wait for 30th January, 31st, 30th and 31st December until 16th January. Cases of China hit record high. Many more hospitalized in New York. Omicron, big rise in Maharashtra, Kerala, 5 points. Maharashtra, Kerala, Delhi continued to report the rise in Omicron. China records highest daily spike in COVID-19 infections in 21 months. Mars activating the eclipse point of the 4th December after the 28th December to 31st December 2000 will be the most crucial, and the complete scam will come out of the bag by 16th January 2022. Wait and see. Mars and Venus are on the wheel. More scams may also be revealed as per the above time frames. August to November.